Oasis and Cyan always had the administration and securing of the network, but the servers could have been anywhere. This way we have control over the physical security of those servers. At A5, it's a physical data center located in Peoria. We also have a backup site in Bloomington. Having your servers in our location is that extra level of security for insurance on things that might happen at your location. Could be a flood or a fire. A fire could destroy everything. Your employees would be out of time and out of work. It would be a major thing to recover from. We have additional space available in our data center. You can relocate your people down there, plug into your network within an hour, and you're up and running. I'd like to introduce Eric Fisher. He's our Director of the Data Center Operations, and he'll take you on a tour.
Hi, come on in. I'd like to show you our facility. You noticed on the front of the building there's a camera that looks at you as you come into the building. Once you're let into that man trap, there's another camera that catches you there in that man trap, and then you are buzzed into the facility by one of our staff members. Here we have some of our office space for our staff as well as clients when they need office space in a disaster. We have kitchen facilities for both staff as well as clients. Out behind our facility we have a 250 kilowatt genset, fiber from multiple providers, as well as fiber underground in the alley into the facility underground. In addition to that, we have cameras that catch both the back door and the parking lot, which is secured with a security fence. You have to get access to the secured parking lot, as well as then have a smart card to get through the steel door here into the facility. The facility is escorted access only, which means our staff are here all the time that any of our clients are. Here we have our electrical distribution room, which includes the mains from the utility power, the transfer switch, and then the mains that go into the data center itself, including a surge suppressor that will take any surge that the grounds outside do not catch. I'd like to show you the data center. After you get through the secure parking lot and through the back steel door, you have to have A5 escorted access to get through the biometric system into the data center. But before we do that, you need to sign in. Here you'll see our fire suppression systems, the fiber that we have from multiple carriers that lets you have diverse paths out to your remote sites and the internet. Here we provide redundant UPS systems as well as air conditioning systems that are redundant as well. All the air is forced through the floor, 18-inch raised floor, that allows us to put cold air wherever we need it for your environment. We also have modular power that lets you have any kind of power that you would need for your equipment, whether it's single phase, three-phase, whatever kind of voltage you need. The facility is monitored both by A5 staff as well as by our vendors and a third-party monitoring company. This is our Icaro 25 gas-based fire suppression system. If any of the sensors pick up on particulate or heat in that room, this will discharge and put out a fire in a matter of seconds. Your server is safer here primarily because of the physical environment that we provide, as well as the staffing. Staff that is trained in not just server security and server operations, but network security and managing that whole environment. Primarily we work in a lot of regulated industries, could be finance, healthcare, legal, manufacturing. Anyone can really benefit from what we provide. They all typically need better care of their IT environment and they need better uptime. At the end of the day, this is a foundation for your business that you have to pay attention to and invest in. Insurance companies are going to provide discounts to some clients if they can demonstrate essentially the steps they've taken to assure their uptime. A5 is expanding and looking to both expand our physical footprint in the data center but also increase our power density options. We're also going to go through a number of auditing processes, specifically an SSAE 16 audit, which lets us not just improve our processes for our own sake, but to then provide that feedback to our clients who have that kind of requirement.